buffaloes, zebras. Oh, white rhino. It's just there.
Yeah,
Look,
yeah,
it's
yeah,
huge. Can you to the right, please?
Can go nearby a little bit.
You see the white rhino?
Yes.
There's a white.
Yes, white one.
This one.
Yes,
This
yes,
zebra.
huge. He's just huge.
This one's even better because we can have a comparison of the
Yes,
size.
yes. So, just very close to him, please. You see this white one? Oh, this guy is just huge. And Sophie, see that? Ah, please, just closer. Just closer, please. Just little bit closer.
There you go.
Oh, the head.
Look at this massive machine. He's just huge. And Sophie, it's a rhino.
Okay.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
He's just posing.